it's me, Abby, and I'm so excited today because we get to do some science experiments. So get ready. It's going to be so fun. And the best part is that you're going to be able to make these experiments at home with your family. So get ready. Here we go. Ryan's my helper.
Hi.
And Delilah's my helper.
Hi.
So we're really excited to make the first one. You know what the first one's going to be? Guess what? We're going to make oobleck. So here we go. The first thing you're going to need is some cornstarch. You're also going to need some water, some measuring cups, and you're also going to need some food coloring. That's right, Ryan. Good job. Now, the food coloring is optional. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. It'll still work just right. So here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and pour the cornstarch in a bigger bowl so that we can grab it more easily with the cups. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to need 2 cups of cornstarch. Okay, ready, Ryan? Your turn first. Here we go. Grab 2 cups. I'll help you out with that, okay, buddy? You could go ahead and use your hands. You don't have to pat it down, okay? Just like that. Go ahead and put it in. 1. And let's do another one. Here we go. Good job. And 2. Good job. It is your turn. Absolutely. Here we go. We're going to leave that one there for you. You ready? All right, let's go ahead and use yours. We're going to move this one over here. We'll give this one back to Ryan. Here we go. 1. Let's put it in. I'll help you. Don't worry. Good job. You don't have to pat it in, okay? Put it in. And one more. Put it in. Good job. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1 cup of water. Whoa. Just be careful not to touch your clothes at home because cornstarch is pretty messy. So be careful, okay? So here we go. Let's get 1 cup of water for Ryan. Here we go. Can you go ahead and scoop it? And let's get 1 cup of water for Delilah. Here we go. Good job. Go ahead and do it. Nice job. Good job doing that gently. Now, remember, the consistency or the way that the oobleck feels might be a little bit too hard or maybe a little bit too liquidy. So what you want to do is you want to look at it and see if you need to add more water or not. So for this one, let's test it out. Go ahead and mix it and see what it feels like. This one feels like it's going to be just right. And this one over here, go ahead and mix it. Let's move over this way a little bit. Let's mix it and see how that one feels. This one looks like it's going to be just right as well too. So go ahead and mix, mix, mix. Now, remember, the last thing is food coloring. So, what color do you want to add, Ryan?
I'll add green.
Green?
Add yellow.
All right, so we got yellow for Delilah and green for Ryan. So here we go. I'm going to add about 5 drops. Can you help me count? Here we go. 1, 2, because that was 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go ahead and mix it in. Go ahead. Mix, mix, mix. What color did you say?
I said green.
Yeah.
I said yellow.
Yours is yellow. Here, go ahead and help me count, Ryan. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Go ahead and mix it in. Mix, mix, mix. Now this process does take quite a bit of time. So to speed things up for you at home, we're gonna go ahead and snap our fingers. And when we snap our fingers, we are going to have it all done and ready. Are you guys ready to snap your fingers?
Yeah.
Get ready. Get your snapping fingers ready. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Whoa! Whoa. Okay, so these are now ready. We have the green oobleck and we have the yellow oobleck. Now, since we did wait quite a bit, we made 2 more. So take a look. We also made a red one and a blue one. So now it's for the fun part. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, now we get to play with it. So if you have long sleeves like I do, make sure you roll them up. So here we go. Go ahead and touch it. Go ahead and put your hands in it. Take a look. Oobleck is so amazing. When I put my hands in it and I lift them up, it looks like it's a liquid. But if I leave it and I punch it, it's hard as a rock. It looks like a solid. So what do you think, Ryan? Do you think oobleck is a liquid or a solid?
I think they're both.
Both? Oh, guess what? He's right. Oobleck is actually both. It's both a solid and a liquid. How can that be? Well, that's because oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. You see, there's a very famous scientist named Isaac Newton, and he discovered that oobleck does not follow the same laws that other liquids do. So, oobleck is extra special. Wow, what does it feel like, Ryan? What do you think it feels like?
I think it feels like a little bit solid. And it feels like a little bit sticky and
A little bit sticky?
Yeah, it feels like slime. I feel like that.
You think it feels like slime? It kind of does feel a little bit like slime.
Yeah.
Isn't it amazing? Go ahead and punch it. Punch it. How does it feel? Does it feel soft?
Yeah, feel that.
When you're punching it?
Yeah.
No, when you're punching it, it feels hard like a rock.
It feels like you punch a wall.
Like when you're punching a wall, exactly. Good job. Whoa, I want to get into the red one too. You want to try the red one?
Yeah.
I'll trade you. Here we go. Now you try the red one. I'm going to try this yellow one. Wow. Oh, it feels so good. Take a look. It's a liquid.
The wall.
And now it's a solid. It's hard. Everyone punch it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Punch, punch, punch. Punch, punch, punch. It is hard. Take a look. It's amazing. Wow, it was so much fun making oobleck with you guys. Did you guys have a blast? Yeah, so cool. Well, friends, I hope that you enjoyed watching us make our oobleck. I hope you have just as much fun making yours at home as well. Now, get ready for the next experiment because we're going to see how raisins can float. How can that be? It's coming right up. All right, friends, now we have all the materials ready for our next science experiment. For this experiment, you're going to need some sparkling water, some raisins. Oh, raisins are so tasty and they're healthy too. And you're also gonna need some clear soda, okay? Now, I wonder what will happen if we pour the water in this container and add raisins, and we pour the soda in this container and add raisins. What do you predict will happen? Right now, at home, make a prediction. What do you think will happen when we pour the water in and add the raisins? Go ahead and start thinking. And what do you predict will happen when we add the soda and the raisins together? What do you think will happen? So we're gonna fill this right up. Now let's fill this one up. Ready? Whoa, did you hear that pop?
Yeah.
That's all the gas in there. Whoa, it's really bubbling up. Wow, you could hear it sizzling. So cool. It's splashing. Sorry about that, Delilah. All right, so did you make your prediction? Let's see if you're correct. Ryan, can you help me add some raisins in there? Of course. And you go ahead and add some raisins in that one. Go ahead. Go ahead. What's happening?
They're sinking.
They are sinking. And what's happening over here? Oh, I see so many bubbles. Let's go ahead and take a look. Closely take a look. Let's leave those in there for just a bit. We're gonna go ahead and set these down. Watch all of those bubbles. Those bubbles are carbon dioxide. They should be wrapping around the raisins. Look carefully. You can see all those bubbles wrapping themselves around the raisins. Wow, it looks amazing. Do you see that? Take a closer look.
Wow.
Do you see that? Take a closer look. All those bubbles are wrapping themselves around the raisins. Wow. Now, we're waiting for quite a bit to see what happens. Oh, I think I see one that's about to pop up. Oh, wow, there it goes. Take a look. Wow, it just popped right up. All of that carbon dioxide, it's all the way up here. It made that raisin rise up. Now, once those bubbles are releasing the raisin, then it will, go straight back down, just like so. And look, another bubble just wrapped itself around it, and it popped right back up again. And it's going back down. Here's another one. And it's rising and falling. This will continue to happen over and over again until all of the carbon dioxide in the liquid is gone. So you can see the raisin is still rising, and there should be more raisins rising and dropping throughout the experiment. I hope you try this one at home as well. This was amazing. I hope you had fun with this experiment as well. Now, next up, wouldn't you like to learn how to make your own tornado at home? That's what's coming right up, so don't move one bit. Hi friends, we're back and we're ready to make a tornado. You guys ready? Yeah! Now before we make the tornadoes in the bottles, we're going to talk about first how do tornadoes form? Well, to form a tornado, you need to first have a supercell thunderstorm. That's right. So for a supercell thunderstorm to form, you need rain, lightning, fast, strong wind, and also hail. That is how you form a supercell thunderstorm. Yeah, so when that happens, then you have warm air rising, and it meets the cool air, the dry, cool air. Now, since there's different temperatures, the air shifts in different directions. Yeah, the air gets really crazy, and that's why the tornadoes are formed. So now, let's go ahead and make our own. Here we go. You guys ready?
Yeah!
Let's do it. First things first, let's go ahead and pour the water in here. Wow. Look at all that water.
Yeah.
So cool. It's almost full. Not yet. We'll keep going. We're gonna wait until it's almost full.
Wow.
That's just about right. We're gonna add a little tiny bit more. Right about there. Yeah. Then we're going to go ahead and add some food coloring. Go ahead and count with me. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now what we're going to do is we're going to need some masking tape. So Ryan, can you go ahead and give me some tape?
Okay.
Oh, look at how cool it looks in the bottle, Delilah. Do you guys see that? It's like a storm is forming with the blue and the water mixing.
Yeah.
I'll help you out, friend.
Beach.
All right.
Like in the beach.
Yeah, like in the beach. It does look like the beach water, right? Now let's go ahead and get the masking tape. You're going to set your bottle right on top like this, and you're going to wrap the masking tape around the bottle as best as you can. And you're going to continue to do this over and over again until you form a very, very good tight connection between the top bottle and the bottom bottle. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and continue to do this over and over again until we have a very sturdy connection between the top bottle and the bottom bottle. Are you excited for the tornado? Yeah, this is gonna be so cool. All right, this looks like it's pretty ready. Let's go ahead and try it out. Here we go. First, we're going to spin it round and round and round and round and round and round. Then we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna see if it works. Here we go. All right, I wonder if it's gonna work. You guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it. We're gonna spin it round and round and round and round. And we're gonna flip it over and spin it some more. Wow, take a look at the tornado. Wow, the middle part right here, that's called the vortex. Yeah, the vortex is the part of the tornado that is one of the strongest. And let's do it again. Ready? Here we go. Spin it round and round. Wow, take a look. There's a vortex again. That bottom part is a tornado. The funnel is the part of the tornado, of the cloud that touches the ground. We don't want to be near the tornado when it hits the ground. All right, friends. Well, guess what? I have a surprise. That's right, I made another tornado just so that we can have a competition. I want to see which tornado can be the strongest, the red one or the blue one. So friends at home, make your guess. Which one do you think will be the strongest? All right, let's see which one's the fastest. Here we go. Spin, 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 round and round. We're gonna flip it over and spin, 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 spin some more. Round and round, round and round. Let's see which one's the fastest.
Which one's the fastest?
Whoa, you know what? I think yours went down fastest. I think you won fair and square. High five. Good job. Well, friends, I hope you had so much fun doing these fun science experiments with us. We have one left, so stay tuned. Wouldn't you like to make some really cool bubbles with us? Let us show you how. Here we go. Hey friends, we're back and ready to make some bubbles! These are not just any ordinary bubbles, no. These are special Abby bubbles because these bubbles are harder to break. So here we go. These are the magical ingredients. We need some sugar. We need some soap, preferably Dawn soap, and some water. That's right. And you'll also need 2 straws. One for yourself and one for your friend.
2.
That's right. So Ryan, go ahead and help me pour some water. Here we go. Keep pouring. Good job pouring. Keep going. This is going to be so cool. Keep going. All right, that's just right. Good job. Now, go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of sugar in. Make sure you fill it up all the way. Go ahead. Good job. Just go ahead and sprinkle it all over. Wow, that looks so cool. Oh, good job. Now, I'm going to go ahead and grab the Dawn soap and I'm going to spread it all around. Just a couple squirts. Ready? Just like that. Good job. Now, this is the fun part. We're going to roll up our sleeves. Well, you don't have to, but I do. And we're going to mix it in. So go ahead, help me mix it in. So we're going to mix it in until we can see that all of the sugar has dissolved. Dissolved means that you cannot see it anymore. It actually blended in. It mixed in really well with the water and the soap. So keep mixing. Wow. Now, once you don't feel the sugar in there anymore, that means it's all done. So I think we're getting there. Mix, mix, mix until everything is dissolved. Great job. I think it's done. I can't feel any sugar anymore. Can you, Ryan?
No.
I think we did it. Good job. Now gently tap your hands to dry them and grab the straw. Here we go. Let's grab a straw. Here's yours, friend. Open it up as best as you can. Now we're going to try our best to make a bubble inside another bubble. This is so exciting. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, so this will be your side and this will be my side. Here we go. All right, that's my first bubble. And now I'm going to try to make a bubble inside my bubble. Here we go. Let's see if I can make it work. Oh, it didn't do it yet. I connected a couple more. Let's go ahead and pop these and start all over. Here we go. Oh, Ryan, that's a big one. Oh, there's one. Let's see if I can make one inside. Going. Oh, it looks like a caterpillar. Wow, Ryan. Oh, I wonder if I can make a bubble in there. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Go really slow. Go ahead. You did it. Yeah, Ryan, high five. Can you all see that? He made a bubble inside another bubble.
How about a bubble inside a bubble?
Can you see it? It is amazing. Let's try it again. Here we go. I'm going to pop these. Here we go. Let's see if I can do it. I did it! Woohoo! I made a bubble inside a bubble. That was amazing. Good job. Let's keep going and keep going. And you at home, you can go ahead and try this out. This is very easy to do at home. Oh, I did it again. Take a look. Do you see that, right? Is that so cool? All right, friends. Well, we had so much fun making bubbles with you all. I hope you guys had fun too. Please remember to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification button so that you can be notified every time a new video comes out. Remember, Abby's friends always do these 3 things. We always listen to our parents, respect others, and do our best. Yes, sirree. Remember, learn, explore, discover with
Abby.
Abby. That's me. Let's continue to make more bubbles. Come on. See you next time. Bye.